So today I'm going to be having a look just in the sump here for the candy and just basically seeing what I can find. So while I'm in here, just having a look at the motor. Right, so this here is just pushed on, nothing in there for now. Oh, okay, there's a bit of stuff in there, that'll be next. Right, so what do I need for that? I need some sort of a screwdriver. Well, I wonder if I can bodge it with that for now. No, I'll go and get a screwdriver. Let's have a look. So the reason why I'm doing this really before I get rid of it is I just want to see what's actually in here, because it's been slow at draining a few times and I've always wondered what's in here. So oh, that's nice. It's got that heating element is just there, nothing much in there. Smells of mould as they usually do. So let's have a look at the pump. Oh, would be Torx, wouldn't it? Bear with. Got a Torx driver now. Actually, let's open, if I can, try and take this off. Open that. Oh, okay. £1.10. That weren't. I did check the filter and that weren't there before, so that's good. £1.10. So that must have just fell through then. Right. And what? Oh, bloody hell, are these just normal bolts? Oh yeah, I'll bodge it with this. I've got bits of toolkit all over the place, hence why I'm not finding the appropriate tool for this. Partly because I don't actually know where anything is at the minute. I'll come back to that. The correct tool. That's better. Take one out. Take two out. This I have left this out in the rain, this washer, because it stopped working on me. Well, stopped working properly, and I didn't really want to use it just in case it malfunctioned and burnt some house down or something. So I have stopped using it. I'm going to take the drain hose off because I might need that for a Bosch if it fits. I might also keep the pump as well, actually. I think I will, if I can get the drain hose off anyway. Right, got the drain hose. No, actually, leave that on. That just unplugs. Put that safe there. So yeah, that is the pump that does work. What sort of pump? We are a Hanyu pump. So never heard of that, so it's probably just exclusive to candy machines. But yeah, that's the pump. Put that there. Right, then let's try and remove, which looks relatively easy, the drain hose. I'll just brute force that. There we go. Lovely bit of brute force. Unwrap that. Oh, it's full of water. That's nice. No, pliers, whatever they're called. Take this fully off, and I've just got to detach it from the back, and then that'll be the drain hose. Keep that. So that's about it for in here. The motor's knackered, so I don't really want that it just sounds peculiar, the motor, and the PCB as well I don't think is very good. Put this stuff here. So I don't really know what else I want to keep on it. I might have a look at the door seal. So let's put everything there. Remove this, so a screwdriver, take that off, and I'm going to keep all that. So that's one drain hose, put that there, put a screw there. Right, the drum, let's have a look at this door seal. It's one of these, absolutely loathe these. Can I brute force it off? Probably not. Oh, maybe. Yes, I can. Yeah, I don't like these plastic mechanisms at all. It's a pain in the arse to get back on, even worse than the normal ones. Right, and then this here is just your typical sort of stretchy elastic band, so it just pulls off. Door seal actually looks okay. Might see if I can sell that. Put that to one side, keep that. So concrete weight just up here. That's about it really. What I might do is take the belt off, keep the belts, and I also want to see how loud the drum bearings are and how loud the motor is, what the actual noise is. So bear with. It's off. Let's take the belt off. Let's go around here and see what the bearings sound like. More screws. Lovely. So there's a slight noise I think off them. I'm not really familiar with these machines, so I'm not sure how much noise is normal. There's a weird sort of scratching noise, if that's a word for it. It's probably a spider that's knackered. I mean there's a little bit of play in it, but it's nothing massive. So yeah, that's the drum. What else? Might have a look at this hose just to see what the lights are in here. So let's take that off. It's another one of them push fit here. Oh, is that glued? Right, let's try and get right in here. I'm going to one side, and then this side I think is just sort of glued in and pushed in at the same time. So come on, there we go. So that is the detergent hose, whatever you want to call it, dispenser hose. Not too bad, seen a lot worse. And I think that really is all I can show you with this. It's a sealed drum, so it'd be a pain in the arse to cut open. I don't actually know where the angle grinder is to cut the said drum open. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I've got the pump out. Don't really want anything else out of it. So yeah, this will be going out for scrap, and another washer no doubt will take its place. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like I say, this was just a bit of a curiosity of mine, just to check what was in the sump hose and just basically look inside, so I thought I'd just record that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.